What is Scale? How much is the total amount of Scale coins? Scale consists of a potentially unlimited number of blockchains that are modular, secure, and fast. Scale runs integrated with the Ethereum blockchain. Developers migrate DeFi projects to their own Scale chains, making full use of the security advantages of Ethereum to achieve high throughput and zero gas fees. Introduction. In popular blockchains, user and developer activity is increasing day by day, often reaching limits in terms of speed and capacity. At the same time, in order to create the future of Web3, the blockchain community urgently needs to build a smooth and unimpeded user experience. The Scale project was born to support the exponential growth of decentralized applications, dApps, on the Ethereum network. What is Scale? Scale is a modular Layer 1 and Layer 2 hybrid network consisting of scalable interconnected blockchains. Through it, developers can migrate their projects from the Ethereum network to a Scale-managed blockchain, achieving high throughput with minimal gas costs. Scale was founded in 2018 by Jack O'Halloran and Stan Kladko to improve the overall user experience in the blockchain space. Its vision is to provide fast, simple, and free blockchain applications to all users. Through the EVM Ethereum Virtual Machine compatible blockchain, Scale creates a fast and gas-free ecosystem to support the development of NFT, games, dApp, and other projects. How does Scale work? Scale integrates with Ethereum while running its consensus mechanism. The design leverages Ethereum's proof-of-stake (POS) network and combines it with Scale to provide high-speed, secure, and zero-gas transactions. It is also of great benefit to Web3 and DeFi applications in terms of cost and performance, helping Ethereum mass adoption. Multi-chain. Scale is a multi-chain network. There are an infinite number of Scale chains that can operate as independent blockchains. These blockchains are interoperable and compatible with virtual machines, which means users can deploy existing Ethereum-based smart contracts directly to the Scale chain and enjoy high throughput and low latency services. Developers can also use the Scale chain to run smart contracts, decentralize storage, execute summary contracts, and more. Scale also modifies the existing virtual machine functionality in order to allow more smart contract use cases. For example, users can deploy Scale chains using the file storage smart contract to store larger files in network nodes. Through the interchain communication function, users can also transfer tokens and NFTs between different Scale chains. In Scale, each blockchain is highly configurable. Users can choose the scale of the chain, consensus protocol, virtual machine, main chain, and additional security measures according to their needs. The network is expected to thrive in the future, supporting blockchains other than Ethereum. To use the Scale chain, developers need to pay a network subscription fee, which is delivered through a smart contract in Ethereum. Fees will be shared with validators and the Scale community. Scale network. Scale utilizes a decentralized network of nodes to create a capital pool security system. Each node provides resources for multiple Scale chains, including storage, monitors uptime and latency, and provides node owners with an SKL interface for withdrawing, depositing, staking, or claiming native utility tokens. Each Scale chain added to the network creates more capacity while pooling secure resources with other side chains. The Scale network consists of Scale Manager and Scale Node. Scale Manager exists on the Ethereum mainnet. It is an access point to other smart contracts in the Scale ecosystem, supporting the creation and destruction of Scale chains. Scale nodes are run by users who stake a predetermined amount of SKL tokens in Ethereum and meet network hardware requirements. Once admitted to the network, they can support single or multiple Scale chains. Scale Manager will randomly assign nodes to a set of 24 peer validators, ensuring decentralization. Peers will then audit the uptime and latency of the node. They will be rewarded with SKL tokens based on their performance at the end of each network period. Scale nodes use a virtualized subnode architecture, and each node can run multiple Scale chains at the same time. Virtualized subnodes are designed for dynamic scaling to enhance network resiliency. The virtualized child nodes are also responsible for running the Scale virtual machine, Scale consensus, and interchain communication. What is Skale? Skale is Scale's native cryptocurrency and utility token. It has a total token supply of 4.27 billion. Skale is an ERC-777 token, backwards compatible with the ERC-20 standard. It supports token-level delegation and is a secure non-custodial way of staking. Users can stake Skale using delegation keys in their wallets without locking funds in a smart contract. Scale tokens are used for network payments, including Scale chain purchases. Token holders can stake Skale as a validator or delegator and receive rewards. As validators, they can run nodes to validate transactions, execute smart contracts, and secure the Scale network. This earned him Skale rewards from the Scale chain purchase. If Skale holders choose to stake as delegators, they will only receive a portion of the validator rewards. Additionally, Skale empowers token holders to participate in the governance of the Scale network. Through on-chain voting, they can determine the economic parameters and future development direction of Scale. Summarize. Through a dynamic multi-chain network, Scale has the potential to grow exponentially as dApp usage increases. By providing high throughput, low cost, and low latency transactions, Scale can be a viable scaling solution for the Ethereum blockchain.